Welcome friends, myself Gaikwad Poonam and today's my seminar topic is mismatch repair. In this topic related to subject molecular biology. In mismatch repair, base pair mismatch occur during DNA replication. There are DNA repair mechanisms that can fix such mistakes. One such mechanism is methyl-directed mismatch repair mechanism. Methyl-directed mismatch repair mechanism in E. coli. This mechanism relies on the fact that methylation of newly synthesized DNA strand does not occur until a short period. This transient unmethylated state of newly synthesized strand permits the new strand to distinguish from the template strand. The mechanism. There are three proteins are involved in this mechanism: muteus, muteal, and mutease protein. Muteus detects the mismatch site and binds to it. Muteus form a complex with muteal. The formation of muteus-muteal complex recruits mutease to GATC sequence at methylated site. Muteus-muteal complex interact with mutease by a DNA looping mechanism. Mutease has a site-specific endonuclease activity that inactive until the complex encounters a hemimethylated GATC sequence. At this site, mutease catalyzes the cleavage of unmethylated strand on the 5' side of G in GATC. If the mismatch is on the 5' side on the cleavage site, the unmethylated strand is unwound and degrade in the 3' to 5' direction from the cleavage site through the mismatch. This segment is replaced with new DNA with the combined action of DNA helicase second, SSB, exonuclease first, DNA polymerase third, and DNA ligase. The pathway is similar except that the exonuclease is either exonuclease 7, which degrade single-stranded DNA in 5' to 3' or 3' to 5' direction, or rectinuclease, which degrade single-stranded DNA in the 5' to 3' direction. Then the mechanism shows mispaired base in newly synthesized DNA strand. Then in this strand, muteus detect the mismatch site and bind to it. And muteus form a complex with muteal protein, and this complex recruits mutease protein to GATC sequence at methylated site. Then mutease perform site-specific endonuclease activity. Then mutease catalyzes the cleavage of the unmethylated strand on 5' end of G in GATC sequence. The unmethylated strand is unwound and degrade in the 3' to 5' direction from the cleavage site, and this segment is replaced with new DNA with combined action with DNA helicase second, SSB, DNA polymerase third, DNA ligase, exonuclease first, etc. This mechanism preserves the base pairing that was present in the original DNA molecules. Thank you.